Hello friends! Ayan, share ko lang sa inyo kung paano ang coping mechanism naming magkakapatid with dealing with emotional and at the same time mental health. O diba? Kasi syempre kailangan din natin alagaan yung once in a while. Yung date with your ates or your loved ones will help talaga to cope up whatever you are struggling to in the past few days. And alam niyo naman, we're kind of lonely and sad for the past few days, kaya konting kain and banding lang kasama ng mga ate ko ay happiness na yan for me. So yan, extra chocolate with diba kakaiba naman, para maiba naman tayo. Syempre treat by my sister ate para kay Bunso. Ayan, nag-date kami, ganyan kami magkakapatid. So ayun, dapat ganun din tayo, walang away, love